I'm gonna have you hop out quick. I'm gonna explain everything why I have you out. Okay?
Alright, no problem.
Hey, do another one. I'm trying to make you get out. I'll get hit out here.
I heard. You heard. Don't feel the hurt. Hey, yo, middle back out. Why you calling cops on me? Why you calling niggas to the cops on me? Why you really trying to get me dead? PTSD, Hey, yo, listen up, man. Y'all need to stop playing with us, huh? Play no fucking game, and y'all public service. Alright? Everybody pay taxes for y'all, so treat us like a fucking human being. We your boss. You got the game. You hear me? We are your boss. Every time you see us, treat us like gods. You stupid mother.
That's what I'm talking about, gang.
I'm playing with me, huh?
I see me, my friend.
Y'all bro. Fuck out of here.
The prosecution dirty, the lawyers is corrupt. Police getting away with it, then ELY interrupts. So why you think I'm getting loud with it? I grew up getting locked up, and I'm not gonna ride with it.
The people's guys here. Subscribe to his service. We gotta get them subscriptions up. Get them subscriptions. Get them vibes up.
I've been to jail 50 times, and 50 times I done do. Out of those 50 times, they gave me 50 deals of book. And after all this happened, yeah, you see me, I'm fine. I had to start from zero more than 50 times.
Let me see that shit, man.
I'm from LA, fool. I'm from LA. Search that shit. Ah, no
right
shit.
Right there, the first one. Subscribe to my.
Subscribe those. Subscribe.
We got you.
Let me see. Subscribe right there. Subscribe to my shit.
Already done. Oh.
I don't fuck with dirty cops. You heard?
My grandmother said to me, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. My grandmother said to me, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's not the same without you, Mom. Are you looking after me? All the way from heaven in the sky. Are you looking after me? I hope you look after me. This life is so hard. I don't know why destiny has set me so far. You need to look after me. Can you please send me a sign? I'm about to lose my mind. Let me know where you at, Mom. Cause I wanna be there. How to forget when you told me they'll bury your body and flesh, but the soul could never.
We're back again, my peeps, and hopefully we got this out the way. You heard? Let's go inside and handle it. I'm gonna let you know what happened when we come back outside. You heard? Don't forget to hit the like button and pull up to ZZTV. You heard, my peeps?
He may have a weapon on him too.
My grandmother
I don't know, maybe a knife.
You heard that? It's gonna be alright.
I see him in his pocket.
What you see in my pocket?
My grandmother said to me,
I'm a man.
He's talking to the
it's
police.
gonna be alright.
Use a rat.
It's my job.
Use a rat.
It's my job.
It's not the
keep
same
being a rat.
without you, Mom.
She paid my phone an apology, or she getting I'm pressing charge. What happened? What are you doing? For what? For what? After what? Stole, dude. I stole what? What's going on?
Police within New York City. Please get your license registration code. The reason why I'm pulling you over, sir. See, that's it. This line right here is called the fog line. You just can't go over. You touched it a couple times.
Oh, I touched the fog line?
That's it.
That's crazy. Registration?
How you doing otherwise? Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
How you
I'm
doing,
good.
right?
Good. How's it go?
Good?
Yeah. Jeez. Here you go, bro.
I'm going to have you hop out quick. I'm talking about explain everything why I have you out, okay?
All right, no problem.
How you doing otherwise? Sorry to make you get out. I get bit out here.
I'll cool my perp shirt. He said the fog line. He said it was the fog line. You heard my peeps?
Yo. Let me get the phone. Okay.
Good. Yeah, like I said, I got no problem with any of that, man.
All right.
You're good. You're doing your thing. What I'm doing right now, very simple. I'm running your license.
Yes. So if you can see that license, it's
I gotta get it.
yeah, no, it's restricted. It says it on the license.
Okay. Yeah.
I can only use it like to pick up my son. He's my son, and to work.
Okay. Where you headed to?
And I got because it might pop out as suspended, but I got the paperwork here from DMV.
Where are you headed to today, sir?
I'm going to pick up furniture.
Drop stuff.
Oh, that's me?
You going to pick up furniture?
Yes.
Yeah, you drop this stuff here.
Thank you,
You
thank
can
you.
hold all that. I got
you.
exactly what I need here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just going to work.
You going to work to pick up furniture?
Yeah.
Where at? Anywhere crazy?
Poughkeepsie.
You going to Poughkeepsie right now?
Yeah.
I'm assuming,
Like 45 minutes
you
away.
live in Yonkers?
Yes.
Is the car you? Okay. So I'm just asking you stuff that I'm legally allowed to ask you. Like
Okay.
Where you come from, where you going to. You said that's your son in the car?
Yes.
How old? Young kid?
20.
20? Yeah, he seems like a young kid. So then you're just coming from where? From Yonkers now?
Yes. From
What is that? Is that a...
this is the restriction from DMV. Hold on, because it's old, and as you open it might break. Let me just make sure that I open it right.
Yeah, I do that. I'm also going to confirm with you.
Yeah, go ahead. Do your thing.
What part of Poughkeepsie, man? That's my
I don't
stomping
even know.
grounds. That's
I
my
don't even
stomping
know.
grounds. You don't know?
No.
Want your kid work with you?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Sorry, it's been a minute, yeah.
And that's your employer right there, the furniture
Yes.
thing? Is that still the same employer and everything
Yes,
like
yes,
that?
yes.
Okay. And that's at a...
I have different stores in the Bronx. That's my. Hey, what's going on?
Hey, what's up? I'm just checking, make sure he's good. That's all.
Yeah.
Yeah. I appreciate it. I'm just getting logged in right now. Okay. This is just I work with these.
Gotcha, yeah. So DMV told me I have to carry that all the time since
I respect
it's gonna pop out suspended.
Yeah,
Because-
that's it?
Yeah.
Dude, it's crazy what they get suspended for these days.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But in order to I gotta work. And in order to work, I need my license.
It's crazy, right? How
Yeah.
that works? It's absolutely crazy how that works. So you're just going Yonkers to Poughkeepsie, and you're going to pick up furniture?
Yeah, a mirror.
Okay. They do that. Now it's your company?
Huh?
It's your company, or you said you own it?
Independent contractor.
Damn, man, I'm surprised they don't give you a car to use. Like, this
I
is your
do, but it's a
personal
small
car.
mirror. I'm gonna pick up a small mirror and I'm gonna do some videos too. Because I do vlogs. I do videos, I record.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
You sing and stuff?
I sing as well.
It's a pain. Sorry to take it.
No, do your thing,
That's why I'm
bro.
trying to speed this up with you here.
Do your thing.
Hey, boss, do me a favor.
Just stand like in front of his door over here.
Okay.
Thank you.
He told me to stand there though.
Yeah, no, I got you. I got you. What's the license? Good? License good?
Suspended.
Oh, really? What about him?
Oh, nah, he's good, he's good. But I'm good too. I have a restriction. It's restricted.
Oh, okay.
It's restricted.
I got you. How far are you traveling?
Poughkeepsie.
Oh, okay. Not bad.
He's probably gonna ask you the same thing. He works with me.
I got you.
Alright, boss, do me a favor. Hang out right here. We're just gonna check the license and make sure it's all good. Alright?
Is he okay?
Who? My son?
Oh, he's your son.
Yeah. Why?
Oh, I don't know. He just like kept.
Recording?
He just took like a cameraman. He just like kept.
Recording?
He just took like a cameraman. If you guys,
Yeah, that's what we do. We record. We do video.
Gotcha. Okay. Completely understandable. They just gave us body cams fairly recently.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
we wear
And
these
we can
now,
request those as well, yeah.
Yeah. Do you guys do like audits? You do the audits?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm going to go pick up a mirror because I do furniture delivery as well.
Nice.
So I'm going to Poughkeepsie to pick up a mirror real quick.
Mirror?
And video. Record over there.
Okay, cool. Good for you. Yeah. You coach baseball?
My brother-in-law.
I played 15 years when I was younger, actually. 15 years. I was a pitcher. Pitcher and third base. Did he say what he stopped you for?
He said I touched the lane.
Oh, the fog line?
Yeah, he probably said I
I got
touched.
you. Yeah, 684 is kind of dangerous. We get a lot of accidents and all that stuff.
Gotcha.
Especially salt and everything. They like over salt the road sometimes and people spin out. Are you guys from Poughkeepsie? Are you guys from Poughkeepsie or something?
Yonkers.
Oh, Yonkers. Okay. Yeah, my uncle does that actually. He does like furniture delivery stuff. Or, I should say carpentry, yeah. I'm guessing it's your car?
Huh?
It's your car?
Too many questions, bro. That's too many questions.
I'm just a human being.
I got you. Yeah, but I'm in the highway, you know, and I'm gonna kind of like, you feel me? I don't know what's going on.
It's just a simple traffic stop. This is how we do our stops. It's just safer because obviously people don't like to move over.
I got you.
Like this guy right here. So.
I got you.
Your license is suspended, but you have the form that gives you reasons to drive for restricted, everything like that. You've been a gentleman enough for me to get out and have a conversation like a gentleman. You're good, man.
Yo, you're not gonna give me no ticket?
I don't think you deserve a ticket. You've been
Yo,
a
God
gentleman
bless
with me
you,
this
bro.
entire time, man.
God bless you,
You've
man.
been a gentleman.
All right, man. Y'all take care, man.
You good with that?
Yeah, we're good,
I mean,
bro.
we could, but I don't. You see, but I don't think you deserve a ticket. I don't think you deserve a ticket.
I appreciate it. You heard? Y'all take care, all right?
Drive safely, all right?
All right, take care. Keep it clean. We're good, you, my babes. All right, we're good. I got you.
My grandmother said to me, it's gonna be all
Hey, what up, Zach?
My grandmother
He said I touched the fog line.
said to me,
He said I touched the fog line. Yeah, let me turn this one.
it's not the same.
I heard. You heard.
Don't feel no type of way.
Hey, yo, middle thing, huh?
PTSD, Kirby.
Hey, yo, listen up, man. Y'all need to stop playing with us, you heard? Play no fucking game, and y'all call me service. All right? Everybody pay taxes for y'all. So treat us like a human being. We your boss. You got the game. You hear me? We are your boss. Every time you see us, treat us like gods. You stupid mother.
That's what I'm talking about, gang.
I'm playing with me, huh?
Así mismo, pan.
Y'all think, bro. Out of here.
The prosecution dirty, the lawyers is corrupt. Police getting away with it, then Eli interrupts. So why you think I'm getting loud with it? I grew up getting locked up, and I'm not gonna ride with it.
People's guys here. Subscribe to his service.
We gotta get them subscriptions up.
Get them subscriptions.
Get them vibes up.
I've been to jail 50 times, and 50 times I done do. Out of those 50 times, they gave me 50 deals of book. And after all this happened, yeah, you see me, I'm fine. I had to start from zero more than 50 times.
Let me see that shit, man.
I'm from LA, fool. I'm from LA. Search that shit. Ah, no
Right
shit.
there, right there. The first one. Subscribe to my.
Subscribe, though. Subscribe.
We got you.
Let me see. Subscribe right there. Subscribe to my shit.
Already done. Oh.
I don't fuck with dirty cops. You heard?